The iPhone 16 Pro introduces videographers to a remarkable feature, the ability to shoot in ProRes log video. This technology may appear complex, but it significantly enhances the quality of video footage, offering users a taste of professional cinematography right from their pockets. Imagine capturing breathtaking 4K footage with an incredible range of details that can be beautifully manipulated in editing. Software ProRes is Apple's proprietary video codec, established in 2007, which aims to provide superior image quality that professionals desire. When capturing video, ProRes retains more data compared to traditional formats, leading to sharper images and richer colors. This high-quality codec was previously reserved for expensive cameras, but now the iPhone transforms the landscape, allowing everyday users to access this high-caliber technology. Therefore, when you snap a video using ProRes, you're harnessing the power of cinematic excellence. Log video captures a wider dynamic range, encapsulating crucial details in shadows and highlights. This means that while the raw footage may appear gray and flat, once color graded in post-production, the visual outcome can be stunning. Think of it as having a blank canvas for artists. The initial muted tones allow for a more flexible and creative editing process, enabling striking contrasts and vibrant colors to emerge later on. Thus, for those who enjoy the art of video editing, Log provides an exciting platform for creativity. You might wonder, how do you activate these settings? Simple yet methodical, accessing the camera settings and toggling on ProRes is the first step. In the same menu, controlling the toggle for Log versus HDR empowers users to customize their recording experience, maximizing the potential of their devices. Before venturing into this sophisticated realm, it's essential to note that this advanced format requires an external SSD drive if recording at 60 frames per second. For many enthusiasts, the investment in an SSD could be a point of consideration, considering the power of the footage produced. Editing log video can initially seem daunting, especially when considering the advanced color grading required for optimal results. While Apple hasn't integrated specialized color editing tools for log footage directly into the iPhone's Photos app, there are ways to enhance your footage. Utilizing the exposure tools found in the edit options can provide a slight lift to your video. However, for more significant improvements, transferring your log files to an iPad, Mac, or Windows PC is recommended. This transition enables access to dedicated video production apps designed for professional editing. One of the leading software options available is DaVinci Resolve, celebrated for its extensive features suited for color grading. This industry-standard tool is utilized in professional productions and acclaimed Hollywood films. The range of looks achievable with DaVinci Resolve is impressive, especially when applied to footage shot on devices like the iPhone 15 Pro Max or Blackmagic's Pocket Cinema camera. The software is readily available on both Macs and PCs alongside a robust iPad app version. Importantly, DaVinci Resolve is free to use on all platforms, with the premium studio version offering only some advanced features. The free version should suffice for anyone looking to enhance their footage without incurring extra costs. To facilitate color editing on the iPad, Blackmagic has introduced the Micro Color Panel, a sophisticated tool that allows for fine-grained control over color adjustments in Resolve. By incorporating this hardware, users can edit their footage swiftly, replicating the professional setups used in Hollywood. When it comes to shooting ProRes log video, Apple introduced this capability starting with the iPhone 12 Pro. Presently, the iPhone 16 Pro, Pro Max, and iPhone 15 Pro, Pro Max are the only models equipped to shoot in log format. Users should note that they are not restricted to the iPhone camera app. Third-party applications, such as the Blackmagic camera app, provide equivalent control over settings, making it an excellent choice for mobile videographers. For those debating whether to shoot video in ProRes log, it's essential to consider the specialized nature of this footage. While it presents unique opportunities for professional editing, it requires substantial time in post-production for color grading. Additionally, log video file sizes are significantly larger when compared to standard footage. Thus, if your intent is simply to capture family moments or casual outings for social media, ProRes log may be unnecessary. However, for content creators desiring to exploit the iPhone 16 Pro's capabilities for high-quality video production, embracing this workflow can yield exceptional results, matching those of dedicated cinema cameras. This flexibility empowers many to turn their everyday devices into powerful tools for professional content creation.